Uh, Alright, guys. Well, we have 3 boxes left. And to be completely honest, I really want to get back to my buddy's party. So let's go ahead and do this. For those of you who've been paying attention on Beckett, something's wrong with YouTube. The videos show up and then they don't. I don't know what the hell's going on. So, alright, let's go ahead and do 2007 Sweet Spot. Apparently, it's only 1 pack and it's 6 cards. So, it's a tin, which is pretty neat. I've never busted this either before. So, let's go ahead and do it. Alright. TJ, who's your mama on top? Which would be Mike, the Bengals guy, who I actually haven't heard from in a little bit. So, I want to know what's going on with him. It's pretty much the closest low-end break you'll get to Exquisite or National Treasures. Oh, looks, oh, not even going to say who the bottom card is. Alright, TJ, who's your mama? Number 427 out of 499. Next card is Lee Evans, number 303 out of 499. Ooh, very nice patch. Like it is Drew Bennett. Maybe 3.5 color breaks, number 26 out of 50. St. Louis Rams. Very nice. And our first auto is Quentin Moss of the Oakland Raiders, numbered 11 out of 50. Pigskin 6, autograph on a football patch. Very nice. Oh, Lon's first auto. I just bought one of these too. Whatever, I'll take it. LaRon Landry, Mr. I do not like to show up to autograph signings. Number 517 out of 799. Cool. And Mr. Chris Palmieri. You'll be very happy with this. Brady Quinn Sweet Swatch rookie jersey. Not numbered, but still Brady Quinn, so very nice. And that is 2007 Sweet